So there's a new release for the blog feature at SnapShot Web. I want to give you a quick tour here. First, I'm going to show you a little bit of the front end, what you'll see when you're not logged into your site as an administrator, and then I'll actually post to our blog and show you the back end a little bit. So here you go. Basically, when you add the blog feature to your site, you'll have lots of different options available to you. You can see that adding images, text, links, that's all very easy. You can have people subscribe via RSS, subscribe via email. You can, of course, put a Facebook badge on there. You can divide these up into different categories, so each of your posts can fit in multiple categories. You can have people comment on your blog, so that you can basically start a discussion online. I'll just scroll down here. This is a tag cloud, so for each post you can tag each post with multiple tags, and then it creates a cloud for you from those tags. So that's the front end. There's all sorts of ways you can make it look. This is just our blog, snapshotweb.com/blog. So that's what people will see from the front end, and it's a great way to do a handful of things like improve your search engine status, to get people in your community involved by participating in a discussion, and to keep people updated with the latest information. So now for the back end. So I just logged in here to the site as an administrator, and I'll just show you what it's like to post an entry. I'm going to scroll down here and click on this. These are visible only when you're logged in. You can set them up however you like, but I've set these up so they're only visible when I'm logged in. And I'm simply going to click on Add Blog Entry. The interface is pretty intuitive. You'll notice here it has, you can set the date. If I don't want it to post till tomorrow, I could set the date as tomorrow. And for the title here, I'm going to talk about an effective homepage on your church website. And then you basically have a summary and then your blog post here. And this is just a rich text editor. You'll notice it looks a lot like Microsoft Word. So you can add images, links, etc. in there. I've done the work of writing this beforehand, so you don't have to watch me through the laborious writing process. I'm actually just going to paste the code in here. Well, actually, I'll go down here, paste it in the blog section, and then you can take a look there. So now I've got this text. I've got two images. If I don't put a summary up here, it's just going to pull the first couple lines from this. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to define my own summary. So I'm going to paste that exact same thing in there, and then I'm going to delete this first. I'll delete the second image. So it'll be it'll look a lot like the summary will look a lot like the blog post, and I'll show you what that looks like in a sec, except it'll have one image instead of two. Now I go down here and tag it. I know that this is about church website, so I can do that. It's about a home page. I don't have that tag yet, so it doesn't show up. It's about, what else would it be about? Social stuff. Talk about Facebook and Twitter in there. And so that'll be good for now. And then I've got these categories. You can set up as many categories as you like. This is a sample site I'd like to show off. And it's a ministry we love, Bridge Community Church. We'll go ahead and do that. I'm going to allow users to comment. And then I'm just going to click Save and Publish. So this will actually post this right away. And then I'll show you kind of the user experience here. Let me actually just quickly log out. And so here we have an effective homepage on your church website. We have the one of the images there. We have the text, a link to their website, and then we can click on Read More, and it'll take us to the actual page for that. I'm still logged in on this one, but you'll see there's two images there. So that's the blog module. You can set it to automatically post to your Twitter account whenever you post your blog. It'll say, you can set it up to say, latest blog post, and create a URL to that. There's all sorts of stuff you can do with it. Currently it's included with the Pro level package, but we can add it to your Plus level package. So or your light level package. So let us know if you got questions about it, if you're interested in getting it set up, and yeah, enjoy.